Greetings, everybody. Welcome back to Behavior. We are working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. Today's video is based on meditation and mindfulness. In this era, meditation and mindfulness have gained a lot of importance and awareness. For the beginners who want to start meditation in the first place, are being given a basic idea that you should sit in one place and focus on your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Let us see what we are basically trying to do when we are meditating. Technically, we are just trying to keep ourselves in present. With meditation, when we start with focusing on our breath, we are simply stating that we will be focusing on something that is very basic in the present. When we see that, we become aware of the present moment and we are letting go of everything that is holding us back, be it of future or past. A lot of time anxiety and depression are linked with overthinking about future and past. So when we start meditation, we are simply bringing ourselves back into the present so that we can focus better, we can choose better, and we can decide better for what to do next. Also, it helps to bring ourselves in a position to make healthy, wise decisions. So, when I say this, I'm simply stating that meditation is being in the present moment. Also, it doesn't require that you go ahead and just sit at one place and focus on your breathing. Anytime that you choose, you make a conscious decision out of awareness that you want to be in the present moment, you are deciding to meditate. You're deciding to bring yourself back into the present moment. Thus, start now. Choose a place, choose to be anywhere, and decide to be in present for a while, be it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or whatever amount of time you can give yourself in that particular situation or circumstances. When you are doing that, you are meditating. Remember, meditation is more than breathing. Meditation is being consciously choosing, being consciously aware of being in the present moment. Now, let's move on to mindfulness. Speaking of mindfulness is speaking about being aware through your senses, that is touch, taste, smell, sight. What is happening in your present? So when we focus about what is happening in our present, it is important to completely indulge into that present. This indulgence through all your senses is what is referred to mindfulness. This video is about the starting point for meditation and mindfulness. So this is just the upper part, just the beginning that you need to consider when you are stepping into meditation and mindfulness. When speaking of mindfulness as well can be done anywhere, in any circumstances, and in any moment. You can be sleeping on your bed and you can figure out how your body shapes with your bed, how your pillow feels, how your quill feels, how it is that it makes you feel when you are breathing, how it is, what can you smell, is it the mosquito coil, it is the room fragrancer, what is it that you smell, how are you folding your body, what are the pattern that you sleep in, what is the pose that you sleep in. Or you could be eating something and you could be mindful as if you taste the thing, you feel the texture in your hand, then in your mouth. Is it warm? Is it cold? How does it smell? How it feels to see the food that you are eating. These are things that lead to mindfulness. These are the basic that bring you to a mindful awareness of your present. It could also be with colors. You can take different color patterns, textures of things, keep them in front of you, and be mindful of all of them. Be present with all of them. When you do that, you will feel yourself being much more calmer, much more insightful, and much more awareness of not just the moment, not just the surrounding, but also of yourself. When you do these things, a complete change, a shift in your present circumstances will be felt gradually. Everyone should at least give it a try for some time to see what changes it brings to you. Let's say when we go around the ocean, when we are sitting at a seashore, you can smell the sea, you can feel the waves, you can hear the sound that they make, and that is what brings you peace. This is something that naturally happens to us when we are around surrounded by nature. When this happens, it brings you a complete tranquility and eases everything that is disturbing the focus of your mind. Same is something that can be done in any situation, any moment. It could be done with vegetables. Take four different vegetables, four different colors, and try feeling them, try smelling them, try touching them. See how they make you feel. And then try to decide something that you were really thinking about making a decision on. See how meditation and mindfulness help you. Be in present, be aware of the present. Indulge your senses and feel everything in the most conscious manner that you can. When you do that, you will feel a change. You'll feel the shift from utmost chaos to peace. And if you are in peace, you'll feel bliss, you'll feel happiness, you'll feel the calmness that you are as a person, as a human, deserving of. When that happens, things would gradually start shifting. Anxiety, depression, things that are just beginning will turn around and come to a more healthier pattern. Try this. Hope this helps. See you next week. Take care till then.